Hi, it's Jae-Lex Linsey here. I want to share with you another short thought. Have you ever found yourself, or do you find yourself, making decisions in the heat of the moment, perhaps a little bit rashly, and then regretting it afterwards, whether that's in life or in business? I've done it myself before, made decisions rashly in the heat of the moment and regretted it. But about 3 years ago, I learned a phrase, a saying that has completely changed my life. And I want to share it with you today, and this is today's short thought. Very simply, before you decide, let the emotions subside. Before you decide, let the emotions subside. So, take a step back, let the emotions work their way through, get out of your system, and then make that decision. You'll find it helps you greatly in your decision-making process. Thank you.